Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a coffee face wash at home. This face wash is anti-aging and it's going to reverse aging by brightening your skin, unclogging pores and diminishing wrinkles. You're going to achieve a clear and glowy skin. What's more is that you can make this face wash at home and it's all natural. Continue watching to the end of this video to learn how to make your very own anti-aging face wash. The first item we are going to need is coffee. Coffee helps combat a variety of skin issues. It has anti-fungal and antibacterial properties. Coffee is high in antioxidants, and antioxidants help protect your skin from free radical damage such as premature aging. Coffee also increases collagen and skin elasticity, making the skin look and feel firmer. We are going to need approximately a cup of brewed coffee, so I'm going to brew a cup of coffee and then strain it. The next item we are going to need is rose hip oil. This oil does not only help in protecting against sun damage, it also reduces hyperpigmentation. It contains vitamin E and is also anti-inflammatory. Rose hip oil is rich in vitamins A and C, which are both necessary for the production of collagen. Thus, it helps boost collagen formation, and we all know collagen is the building block of the skin. It's essential for skin elasticity and firmness. We are going to need 2 teaspoons of rose hip oil. We are also going to be needing vitamin E oil. Vitamin E contains antioxidants, it moisturizes the skin and also has healing properties. This oil helps reduce scars and fine lines. I'm going to be adding in 10 drops of vitamin E oil. I'm going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of cassia liquid soap. For fragrance, I'm going to be adding in lavender oil. You can use any other essential oil of your choice. And then stir the ingredients well until they are properly mixed. I'm just transferring it now into a container with a pump head so that it will be easy for me to use. As you can see, there's some tiny bits of coffee grains in the face wash, but it's all fine as they're going to act as exfoliator. You can use it as you use any other face wash. This face wash can last you up to 5 days when stored properly. However, if you use preservatives, it can last you up to 6 months. Our face wash is ready, guys. This face wash is so good. It's going to cleanse your skin yet leave it feeling so moisturized and hydrated. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.